the source coding algorithm, some examples. Shannon-Fano we have discussed. I think Shannon-Fano you have already taken. Just a minute. Try to write down the code trees. Code 1 we got and code 2 we have found in the last class. Now take a 1 minute and try to find out write down a code tree. I'll show you the code tree also, but you try to write down. I'll give a few more seconds. Hope all have written the code tree. So now I'll show you the code tree. Go through. So it's a code tree. You can compare what you got with this. Let us take one sample example. I think symbol you can take a x5. Observe this carefully. See 0001, it is x5 code. In the tree I will start from the origin 0001. So just take a few seconds and compare. So let us go to the second code tree. And you might have written a little bit different, no problem. But when you go along with the path, you should be able to get the code word. So take a second one. So code tree for the code 2. So one sample example I have shown. Say x2 equal to 011. Start from the origin 011. That is the x2. So you compare the code tree what you have written. It may look a little different, but when you go along with the path, you are supposed to get the same code word. So I'll wait for a few seconds. Then we'll go to the next slide. Let us take one example. You are given 4 messages. Copy down. You are given 4 messages. x1, x2, x3 and x4. x1, x2, x3 and x4 with the respective probabilities. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4 with the respective probabilities 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. Devise a code with a prefix property or devise a Shannon-Fano code for these messages and draw the code tree. Calculate the efficiency. And redundancy of the code. Calculate the efficiency and redundancy of the code. And calculate the probabilities of zeros and ones in the code. Calculate the probabilities of zeros and ones So hope all of you have copied this. Take another 10 seconds, read it twice. Let us go to the solution. Now all of you know I am dividing into two groups. I am assigning 1 and 0. Again I am dividing the two group, assigning 1 and 0. Again dividing a two group, assigning 1 and 0. Write down the code words and find out average length, H of S and efficiency. You have a 2 minutes time. Do it. Students have got 1.9. Karthik, Srijana, Vijayalakshmi, Preeti and Adnya. Most of the students they got 1.9. And H, Abhay Bhatt has typed all the answers. Very good, Abhay Bhatt. He has typed L equal to 1.9, H equal to 1.8, efficiency 97.17, redundancy 2.83. Abhay, very good. Shahasan 1.9, L equal to Deviraj. Varsha 1.85 she got, H of S, and Shilpa same answer, Charan same, Spurti, Nivedita, Geeta, Praveen, Priya, Shilpa, Chaitra, Simran, Bharat, Charan all got, I think Charan got the answer 97.2%, Nivedita 97, Abhishek Kulkarni has typed, Spurti efficiency she has typed, Adnya 1.84, 1.84 Vijayalakshmi, efficiency Spurti has told 97.2, and Jannavi 1.84 HFS, and most of the students they have typed Bharat has typed 97.15, Charan redundancy 2.8, Nayak 1.84, Amrita HFS 1.84, Shivani typed, Spurti has typed redundancy 2.83, Vishwa, Praveen, Prajakta, Vijayalakshmi, Adnya, Priya, Abhirup, Prithviraj, Nayak, Lohit, all have typed the 96.84 is the answer. Preeti has typed Rohit, Saujanya, Geeta 2.8 redundancy she has typed. All the answers are almost correct, majority. And 2.8 redundancy Geeta, Pragati efficiency 96.8, Vijayalakshmi 2.8, Devidas 96.84. Okay. So I will wait for another 10 seconds, then we will go to the next. Redundancy Simran 2.7, Nivedita 2.8 redundancy. Devidas 96.84 got efficiency. Good. So most of the students have completed. Let me go to the next. Siddharth 96.84, Rohan 2.8 redundancy, Jayasuriya and Rohan, Pragati, Vidya Kalkeri 96.84. Good. So most of them they have completed. Shahasana 96, Shruti H and 95.6 she has typed. I think Shruti answer is a little bit different, 95.6. I will show you the answer, Shruti. Please check it. Your answers. So I think L equal to 1.9 I got, H of S equal to 1.846 I got. And using these two and redundancy I will show you now. You can compare. If somebody's answer is different, I got 97.15. I don't know how you have taken. It's a 1.8 you have taken, or 1.84 you have taken, or 1.846 you have taken, or 1.846 extra you have taken. It depends on individual. So I think efficient redundancy somebody told 2.8. It is correct. 2.85 I got. So most of the answers are same. I think this 97 something I got. Majority have got 96.8 something. It's correct. So let us go to the next. Write on the code tree. So write on the code tree. I'll show you the code tree. It may look different, but when you traverse along that path, you should get the same code words. Write on the code tree. Take a 30 seconds. Do it. Then you'll go to the next. Let me copy over all the answers in the MS Word. All 58 students have not written the answers. Let me check. Anyway, we will write one code, Python code, to check how many times your name has come in the chat box. So that I'll give the assignment to the BDG students. Okay, let us go to the next slide. Let me copy. Okay, this is a code word. This is a code tree. Hope all of you have written. The shape may be different. What you have written, it may be different. No problem. But code should remain same. So let us go to the next question. There are the probabilities of zeros and ones he has asked in the code are found using this formula. 1 by L, all of you have found L. Number of zeros in the code for xi and its probability. For example, in the first, there is no zero. Second, I have 1 0. Third, we have 2 zeros. And probabilities are known to you people. And in the fourth one, I have 3 zeros. Similarly, number of ones in the code word. In this, 1 is there, here 1 is there, here also 1 is there, here 0 is there. Like that, you have to fill, multiply the probability, find the P of 0 equal to P of 1 equal to try. I will show you the answer. So fill the number of zeros in the code word of xi. Maybe take a first one, x1, and probability of that. It is there in your notebook. Now I have shown you the code words so that you can count zeros and ones. Find out P of 0. Find out P of 1. I will show you the answer after another few seconds. Before that, let me see your answer in the chat box. Now I am not sharing the chat box with you, but I can tell the content of the chat box to you. Earlier I used to share complete screen so that you can see your chat information also. But now I can see the chat information, but I am sharing only the slide with you. So I will wait for another few seconds. Let me check who will write the answer first. Number of zeros, P of 0 equal to P of 1. Bharat has typed 0.526. I don't know for 0 or 1. Abhay Bhatt has typed P of 0 equal to 10 by 19. Good. Sumit, Desai, Chaitra, all have typed 0.52 P of 0 equal to. Very good. Shivani has typed, Pragati has typed 0.526. Adnya has typed. Good. Abhishek Kulkarni has typed. Nivedita, P of 0.526. Varsha, Rohit, Shilpa, all have typed the same answer. P of 0 equal to 0.526. Vinay, Prajakta, Spurti, Prithviraj, Janvi, Shivani. Shivani has got something 0.4. Okay, it is a probability of 1. Good. It should be different. Together it should become 1. When you add P of 1, P of 0, it should be 1. Hope all of you have common sense and all of you know that. When I add both the probabilities, it should be 1. When somebody told 0.526 is correct, another should be correct, 0.473 something, it should be correct. So most of you got the same answer. Very good. Sai Manthan, Abhay, Nivedita, Sai Manthan, Janvi, Preeti, Vidya Kalkeri. All of you have typed the answers. Abhay Bhatt and Shilpa, Shripad, Spurti, Siddharth, Vijayalakshmi, Saujanya, Prajakta, Aditya Hiremat, somebody, Parameshwara, Rohan, and Priya Patil has typed. Abhirup, Joshi, all got the same answer. So Varsha Angadi has got the same answer. Let me show you the answers. Compare your answer with this. Shruti, Jaysurya, and Shivani got the same answer, 0.473. And Vishwa, Mallikarjun Patila. Oh, after a long time I am seeing this name. Mallikarjun Patil, good. Vishwa. Ritika, she used to type less, 0.473. Siddharth, okay. Vijayalakshmi, good, 0.473. Some names I am observing now after a long time. A lot of gap is there, they didn't type. Preeti, okay, 0.473. Let us go to the next. Another example we'll take Devidas, Praveen, they have typed 473, good. Arjun, Ambekar, good, yeah, I'm saying this name, Arjun, very good. Devidas 0.473. So let us go to the next example. Consider source S equal to S1, S2 with the probabilities 3 by 4 and 1 by 4 respectively. Probabilities 3 by 4, 1 by 4 respectively. Obtain Shannon-Fano code for source S. Obtain Shannon-Fano code for source S. Its second and third extensions. Calculate efficiencies for each case. Calculate efficiencies for each case. So I'll show you all of you know it is only 1, 0 and 1. I cannot give more. No coding. For first one I am giving 1, for second one I am giving 0. Find out a length, find out the entropy, find out the efficiency. You can type your answers. Oh, L equal to 1, most of them they are typed, very good. Do it. Efficiency also you can find out. And Srijana, Karthik, Rohit, Nivedita, Abhay Bhatt, Jaisurya, they have typed the answers. Adnya, Charan, Karthik, Rohit, Simran, Praveen Patil, Jaisurya, Abhishek, Preeti, Abhirup, Shruti, Sumit, Parmeshwara, Praveen Patil. All these people have typed. So, very good. Shilpa has typed 0.244H. Hey, your answers are different. Abhay Bhatt is 0.811. H are different. Majority are getting 0.811. Varsha, Aditya, Pragati, and Parshvanath. Very good. Simran, Shruti, Saujanya, Shripad, and Parmeshwara, Priya Patil, Ritika. All are getting 0.811. Correct. Somebody got 0.4. Please check it. Vishwa, Preeti. Monica, okay, after a long time she is typing. Shahasan, good. Nayak, Jaisurya, Charan, Amrita, and Srijana, Abhay, Gaura, okay, she also typed today, good. Simran, Abhishek has typed answers HFS also. Efficiency 81 he has told. Prajakta 0.811 and Karthik 81%, Pragati 81, I think 81 will be correct. Vidya got 81, Sumit, Chaitra, Ajna 0.811 she told. And Vinay, Bharat, Priya Patil, Shahasan, Geeta, Saujanya, Janvi, Parmeshwara, Nivedita, Vidya, Preeti, Shruti, all are getting 81.1. Good. Jaisurya got 81. Varsha, I'll show you the answers. Very good. So, Chaitra, Aditya, Hiremat. So, you can see it, 81 point, correct it is, 81% is perfectly correct. And now go to the next. For a second extension, we will have 4 symbols given by Bharat, Vijayalakshmi, Shivani, Ritika, Devraj, Simran. All have typed the answer. Abhishek Kulkarni, Aditya. All have got the same answers. Very good. Now you go to the second. S1, 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 S2, S2. S1, S2, S2. Those you have to copy now. So for that you have to find out a average length, H of S, efficiency. The same thing you have to do it. Siddharth has typed 0.81, 81.13. Okay, try to complete everything and type all the answers at a time. It will be easy. Type all the 3 at a time. I will wait for another 1 minute. So try to type your answers at a time so that it will be easy to compare. Let me copy down from the chat box whatever you have typed the answer. Now I'll show you the next slide. So I have divided just code words you can take, and using these code words you can find out remaining. Find out the average length, find out the efficiency, okay, we'll see how many of you have typed. Let me I'll show you the answers. Many have typed their answers. I think Karthik has typed, Jesuri has typed. Okay, I'll show you the average length. Average length I got 1.6. Vidya has typed, Bharat has typed, Parameshwar has typed. Very good. Gaura, Shilpa, Shripad. Answers are same. Varsha, Vinay, Amrita. I take a few more seconds and complete this. I'll go to the next. Amrita, Rahul and Vijayalakshmi, Vinay, Varsha, all are getting 1.68. Prajakta, Aditya, Preeti, all are getting 1.6. And Abhay Bhatt has typed everything. H equal to 1.622, efficiency 96.14. Very good, Abhay Bhatt. Rohan, 1.68. Janvi, H of S equal to 1.6. Nayak, Shahasan 1.6, BN Spurti 1.6, Geeta 1.6, Parshnath 1.6, Charan 1.6, Nivedita 1.6, Rahul also 1.6. Very good. Now find out the H of S square. It's no need to find out using any other method. Simply multiply H of S into 2. So we'll get H of S square and find out the efficiency. Abhishek Kulkarni has typed, I think H of S 1.622, efficiency 96.11, Sai Mantha 96.4, Preeti has typed the answer, H of S, efficiency Shilpa has told 96, Parameshwara told 96, Spurti 96, Adnya 1.62 H of S, Saujanya, Charan, Abhay Bhatt, Vidya Kalkeri 96, all are telling 96, Rohit 96. So let me show you the answer. Pragati has 96, Rohit has 96.1 and Pragati 96.4, Priya Patil, Shruti, Mali, Vishwa has typed the answer. Good. Efficiency 96. And let me show you the answer. What I got? 96.15 I got. Vijay Lakshmi has got same answer. Karthik, Vidya, Nivedita, Prajakta, Amrita, Shivani, Kulkarni. Redundancy she has told 3.86. Of course, 100 minus. Abhishek Kulkarni has got the same answer. I'll wait for another 10 seconds. Then we'll go to the next. Okay, let us go to the next. Hope most of you have completed it. Now we have to go to the third extension. So write down the third extension fast. Copy down, continue. Third extension S1, 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 S2, S1, S1, S2, S1. and divide into 2. First step I have told, assign 1 and 0. Assign 1 and 0. Then again divide. Continue the process until further division is impossible. Assign the code word for S1, 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 S2, S1, S2, S1, like that. And find out the average length. Find out the efficiency. Siddharth has typed h of s 1.6, 96.14. So I'll show you the next how I have done. Again I have divided, I have assigned the zeros and ones. At least code word should remain same so that efficiency will be same. Again I have divided, again I have assigned zeros and ones, again I have divided, again I have assigned the zeros and ones. Just do it, and code words you write down, then you find out the length, average length, find out the h of s, find out the efficiency. I'll show you the next slide. Average length. Now I'll wait for 2 minutes. I'm sure within 2 minutes most of you will type average length, h of s, and also the efficiency. Code words are given to you. Number of bits you know, probability you know. Simply use L3 equal to summation I equal to 1 to 8, Pi, Li. Pi you fill it, Li you have calculated how many bits just now, and find out the answer. Then h of s cube. Simply find out using a 3 into h of s, then find out the efficiency. So I am sure within 1 minute somebody will type L equal to, let's say L3 because third extension. 2.718 Vidya Kalkiri has typed. Good. We'll see whether it's right or wrong. I am not showing the answer intentionally. 2.59 Lohit Nayak, Sumit 2.59, Geeta 2.59, Aditya Hirime 2.59, Geeta 2.5, Karthik, Rohit all are getting 2.59, Simran 2.5, Adne 2.59, Saujanya 2.593, Parameshwara 2.59, Vishwa 2.59, Preeti 2.59, Shripad 2.5932, Abhirup 2.59, same answer. Janavi, Shilpa, I am sure within another few seconds most of them that Abhishek has typed, Abhay Bhatt has typed all answer. H equal 2.4, efficiency 93.83. Srijana has typed L, correct, Sahashana, and Jay Surya, Shivani, Prithviraj, Vijay Lakshmi, Deviraj, Charan, all has, Abhirup, I think Charan has typed 93.96 efficiency. Abhirup has typed H of S 2.4, Prajakta 2.59, Parshvanatha L3 2.58. Okay, I'll show you the answer. 2.59375 I got. Similarly, H of S for the third extension. I got 2.4339, and using these two now you have to find out a efficiency. Nivedita has typed H, Shivani, Adnya, Charan, Shilpa, Rohit, Siddharth, L3 they have typed correct. Vishwa, Vidya Kalkeri 93.85 percentage she told efficiency. Geeta 2.4 equal to H. Parmeshwar 93.9 he got. Ritika 93.9. So let me show you the answer. Simply divide it by L. H of SQ by L. 93.9 Adnya, Karthik, Vidya, Priya and Tejasvi, Hegde, Simran. All are getting the same answer. Chaitra, Pragati, Jayasurya, Rohit, Bharat, Prajakta, Preeti, Tejasvi, Shruti, Shripad. Some names are not coming. Geeta, same names are coming again and again. Devraj, Vijayalakshmi. This is your attendance, what you are typing is your attendance. Devraj, Yamnur, 93. All are getting 93. Gauda, very good. So I'll show you the answer. Vishwa and 93.84 I got. Shivani, all are getting same answer. I'll wait for another 5-6 seconds. Hope all of you are getting the same answer. Parshvinath, Rohan and Shahasan, Siddharth, all are getting 93.8. And Srijana got same, Devidas got 93.8. Very good, most of you got the same answer. And hope most of you understood. Vinay, Srijana, Devidas, Siddharth, 93.8 answer they got. So let us go to the next. Shannon-Fano ternary code procedure I'll give you. The same procedure almost. Only the change is instead of dividing it by 2, now we are dividing by 3 because ternary we take. Instead of 0, 1, we take 0, 1, 2. So see the procedure, try to copy down the procedure, understand it. It's almost same. Instead of 0, 1, 0, 1, 2 I have to do because it's a ternary. Observe this step by step and copy down. The 7 steps observed for getting a binary code are slightly modified for ternary code. The 7 steps observed for getting a binary code are slightly modified for a ternary code. Step 2. Step 1. The symbols are arranged according to the non-increasing. It's nothing but a decreasing. Non-increasing probabilities. The symbols are divided into 3 groups instead of 2 groups, so that the sum of probabilities in each group are approximately equal. You can leave that given below. Simply copy down is approximately equal, like 0.3, 0.3, 0.3. Sometimes it may not be exactly, but approximately. Copy down these 2 steps. I'll wait for another 15-20 seconds. Then we will go to the next slide. So let me wait for another 10 seconds. I'll go to the next slide. Okay, we'll go to the next slide. All the symbols in the first group are designated by 2, the second group by 1, third group by 0. We used to assign only 1 and 0. Now we start from the 2, we assign then 1, then we assign 0. Again, the same way we do it. The next step. The first group is again subdivided into 3. Earlier we used to do 2, now we are doing 3. The first group is again subdivided into 3 more subgroups such that each subgroup probabilities are approximately same. Copy down the step number 3 and step number 4. Now let us go to the next step. All the symbols of the first subgroup are designated by 2, the second subgroup by 1, and the third subgroup by 0. Take a few more seconds and copy down. We'll go to the next slide. 6th step, 7th step, we'll see. All the symbols of the first subgroup are designated by 2, and the second subgroup by 1, third subgroup by 0. The same procedure what you have done. Instead of only dividing into 2, now we are dividing by 3. Let us go to the next. The second and third group are subdivided into 3 more subgroups each, and step number 5 is repeated. This process will continue till further subdivision is impossible. The same way we are doing for binary what you have done. For this also we are doing, but there we used to divide it by 2. Now we are dividing it into 3. That's only one line difference you should remember while making the groups. So let us go to the next. So we'll see the one example. It will be very easy to understand. Construct a Shannon-Fano. While typing N, I have typed R. Shannon-Fano ternary code for the following ensemble and find code efficiency and redundancy. Also draw the corresponding code tree. S equal to S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6, X7. Construct a Shannon-Fano ternary code for the following ensemble and find code efficiency and redundancy. Also draw the corresponding code tree. S equal to S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6, S7. Probabilities are 0.3, one more 0.3, 0.12, one more 0.12, 0.06, one more 0.06, 0.04. I repeat the probabilities: 0.3, 0.3, 0.12, 0.12, 0.06, 0.06, 0.04. I'll wait for another 20 seconds. Please copy down properly. Even in the exam also, probabilities you have to copy down correctly. Otherwise, your answers may be wrong. So let us go to the next. This is the way how I divide. Instead of into 2, dividing by 2 or grouping in 2, I am grouping by 3. 0.3. This will become 0.3. Instead of assigning only 1 and 0, now I am assigning 2, 1, 0. Again I am dividing it by 3. Again I am dividing it by 3. Sometimes if it is not possible, divide it by 2 only. Because sometimes you may have only 2. In this case, you are getting every time 3, 3. Copy down this. Try to understand. Find the average length. H of S. Find the efficiency. So all of you copy down the code words. Then find out average length. So within 1 minute, at least one person will write the code words length. Okay, somebody typed, Prithviraj has typed 1.56. I'll show you the answer after a few seconds. Okay, we'll see whether it's right or wrong. 1.56. Everybody is typing. Shripad. Okay, very good. All are getting 1.56. Good. Geeta, Nivedita, Abhishek, Bharat, Shripad, and Parameshwara, Simran, Nayak. All are getting 1.56. Srijana, Vinay, Rohit, Praveen. Okay, let me show you the answer. Priya 1.56, Karthik, Kritika, Vishwa, Ajna, Janvi, Shruti, Vijayalakshmi, Preeti, Jaisurya, Prajakta, Suhasini, Varsha, all are getting 1.56. Answer is correct. Mallikarjun Patil, somebody, very good. Varsha 1.56, Gaura 1.56. Majority are typing answers, but some students they are not typing answers. They won't get attendance. Amrita 1.56. Devraj 1.56. Total 57 are there. At least 10 to 15 students they are not typing their answers. Rahul Raj 1.56. And let me Jyoti, yeah, after a long time she is typing her answer. 1.56 Jyoti. Siddharth 1.56. Shivani 1.56. Good. Some students they are not active. Anyway, you have to give the explanation later. I will keep all this chart information in front of you only. Tejasvi Hegde 1.56 with Stara. Okay. And h of s equal to you can find out. Shahasan 1.56. So take a few seconds and find out h of s equal to. I'll wait for a few seconds. I'm sure somebody will type h of s. Okay, I'll see your chart content now. The answer h of s what I got is 2.44, and most of the students they are typed. Let me see how many of them they are typed. Efficiency also already. Yeah, many are typed 2.4. Varsha, Shripad, Abhirup, Suhasini, Rohit, Shivani, all have got same answer. Pritika, Abhay Bhatt, Rohan, and let me see the efficiency now. Efficiency equal to. So find out. I have to do this divided by this is very important. Reason is r is not 2. Now r is 3. Hence log 3 to the base 2. H of s I have to find out. For r equal to 3. Hence log 3 to the base 2. We will get some answer h of s that you have to use to find efficiency. Somebody has typed Vinay 99.05. Yeah, it's correct. I already shown here. I hided only this. I forgot to hide this. Answer is correct, Vinay. You can type h of s considering the ternary. Most of them they are getting 99.05. Pragati has got 98.7. Okay. Sai Manthan, all are getting 99.05. Ajna, Simran, and Rohit 99.05. Abhay Bhatt, Praveen, Priya Patil, Geeta, Prajakta, Chiran 99. Devidas Chaitra Kulkarni 99.05. Parshvanath CJ. Same answer. Jaysurya Shivani Parshvanath Abhishek Kulkarni. Bharat Parameshwara Ritika Preeti Devraj, and all these students they got 99.05. Siddharth Lekhi Karthik Gangir 99.05. The answer is correct, 99.05. Arjun Ambekar Vijayalakshmi Belavaniki, all have got the same answer. Jyoti Habib has typed 99.05. Vidya Kalkeri 99.3. Write down the code tree. Write down the code tree. Those who have completed. Those who have not yet typed the answer in the chat box, try to type the answer in the chat box. Take a few more seconds. Write down the code tree. So along with the path, if you go, you should get the same code word. Shruti 98.7. Answer she got. I'll take another 1 or 2 minutes, we'll wind up. Okay, next class will start the Huffman